a state that occupied an important position in the early history of India. Let's explore Bihar in this episode of Incredible India. Hey guys, it's me Ayush back again with another video. The derivation of the name Bihar from the Sanskrit Vihara reflects the prominence of the Buddhist community in the ancient times. In the Assam episode, we saw about the Siliguri corridor. Come, let's travel through that to explore Bihar, shall we? This state of eastern India is bounded by Nepal to the north, West Bengal to the northeast, Uttar Pradesh to the west, and Jharkhand to the south. With Patna as its capital, the state is divided by river Ganga into two regions, the North Bihar Plains and the South Bihar Plains, which together form the Great Gangetic Plains. The history of Bihar is believed to have roots back to the breaking dawn of civilizations in India. And then, the state of Bihar prospered as the seat of majestic empires like Magadha. It is also the state that gave two important religions, Buddhism and Jainism. But today, it has lost its importance as a tourist destination. So without further ado, let's begin our journey into the historic land of Bihar and explore some of its important places. Mahabodhi Temple is one of the highlights of the religious township of Bodh Gaya. The shrine is constructed around the original Bodhi tree where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Kumrar, which is also pronounced as Kumrahar, is a historic city of Pataliputra in Bihar. It depicts the remains of the Mauryan Empire from 600 BC to 600 AD. Probably the oldest university in India, Nalanda is an important place to visit in Bihar. A perfect remnants to the time of flourishing Gupta and Pala period, Nalanda is an acclaimed tourist attraction. Today, most parts of Nalanda lie in ruins, but the place is surely worth exploring. Huan Sang, the famous Chinese traveler, visited Nalanda in 5th century AD and stayed here for 12 long years. This memorial hall is a reflection of the artist and academic grandeur of the Nalanda University. Vaishali is an important archaeological site. Located in the interiors of Bihar, Vaishali is a revered Hindu, Buddhist and Jain worship site. It is in this city Lord Mahabir was born. The historic charm of Vaishali is the well-preserved Ashokan pillar. The ancient city of Madhubani is known for the richness in art and culture that the district strives for. Mentioned in the Ramayana, the city is known for the world's famous Madhubani paintings, whose origin lies here. Better known as the World Peace Pagoda, Vishwasanti Stupa proudly stands at the historic city of Rajpur. This peace pagoda is amongst the finest examples of Japanese architecture in India. Built in 1545 AD in the memory of Sher Shah Suri, this tomb is an excellent example of the Indo-Islamic architecture in India. Erected at the middle of an artificial lake, this sandstone structure is worth a visit in Bihar. Reckoned to be one of the two important Buddhist learning centers in Bihar, Vikramshila was established by King Dharmapala. Vikramshila now lies in ruins, but renovation work has begun now. During the excavation, Buddhist monasteries, stupas, and several wall carvings have been unveiled here. With a height of 104 feet, The tallest and largest Buddha stupa in India, Kesariya Stupa, is one of the major attractions of Bihar. The Barabar Caves claim to be the oldest rock-cut caves in India. Dating back to the Mauryan Empire, these majestic caves are situated in the Twin Hills, Barabar and Nagarjuni. The Thai monastery is another incredible gem from the treasure chest of Bihar. Made in typical architecture style of Thailand, this temple reflects the culture and traditions of Thailand in India. Choti Dargah, the mausoleum of the venerable Sufi saint Makhdum Shah Daulat, is rich in architecture and adorned with intricate carvings on the wall and the inspiration from the Quran on the roof. Sitamarhi is a pilgrimage and historic site. The city has a 100-year-old temple called the Janaki Temple that is believed to be the birthplace of Sita, the wife of Ram. Along with it, there exists a rock-cut sanctuary of the Mauryan period. Lying in ruins, Navlaka Palace is situated in Rajnagar near Madhubani in Bihar. It's a royal palace, and even though it's been damaged so much, one can still marvel at its architectural brilliance. Better known as Pataliputra in ancient India, Patna is the largest city in Bihar and one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Reckoned to be the birthplace of the last Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, the city flourished in the period of Haryankas, Nandas, Mauryans, Shungas, Guptas, and Palas, and earned fame across all of India. Established in 1917 in Mughal and Rajput style of architecture, Patna Museum, also called as Jadughar, houses several metal, stone sculptures of the Mauryan and Gupta era. The First World War cannon and the 200-year-old 16-meter-long fossil tree are a must-see here. Golghar is a large granary located in Patna. The top of the Golghar presents a wonderful panoramic view of the city and the Ganges. Bhagalpur is known as a silk city and is famous worldwide for its silk production. Muzaffarpur is one of the leaders in the production of lychee and is famous for its lychee gardens. Kanwar Lake is India's and Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Kanwar Lake Bird Sanctuary is reckoned to be the haven for 60 species of migratory birds. Constructed in 1054 AD, Buxar Fort is a reminiscent of the glorious past of Bihar. One episode is not enough to explore this historic land, which is an important gem from the Indian treasure chest. Let's now see some important facts about Bihar, shall we? Gaur is the state animal, house sparrow is the state bird, Kachnar is the state flower, and the peepal tree is the tree of the state. While a colloquial mix of Hindi and Urdu is spoken throughout Bihar, there are different dialects like Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Maithili, Anjika, and etc. Most speakers of these dialects can easily understand Hindi, though they can't actually speak Hindi. There are a total of 21 rivers in Bihar, out of which Ganga and Koshi are the famous ones. The Koshi River is also known as the sorrow of Bihar, as the annual floods affect about 21,000 square kilometers of fertile agricultural lands every year. Agriculture is the main occupation of Bihar. It is the livelihood of major portions of the population. Since the days of Buddha, the staple food of the people of Bihar have been rice. Litti Chokha is a famous delicacy here. Till date, Bihar proudly houses a staggering 21 wildlife sanctuaries, along with the prosperous presence of 2 national parks. Chhath Puja is the most popular festival of the state. Jat Jatin is the most famous folk dance of Bihar, especially in the Mithila and Koshi region. The contemporary art and craft of Bihar are known for their artistic beauties. I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such interesting videos. Also, comment down below about the place that attracted you in Bihar. Stay tuned. Coming up next, charming Chandigarh. Until then, bye.